In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy in first with Axiom Pro Memecoin trading. So this is Axiom Pro. In case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, over here, when you get started with Axiom, here's how to actually buy in first, and it is with their tons of features you can start using, which will help you find those best of the coins out there. So the first one is if you go to polls up here, you can see you have new pairs, final stretch, and migrated. Now that's usual. However, you can see the filter button over here. And if you click on this filter button, you can see you can set yourself different filters for new pairs, final stretches, and migrated coins. And let me tell you, there's a whole bunch of these filters you can set, and via that, sort out some of those scams. So it's basically much easier to find those good coins. So if you go to protocols, you can basically sort by protocols, you can sort by keywords, you can go to audit over here, and you can set ages, you can set top 10 holders percentages, dev holdings, snipers, insider bundles, etc. Okay, so the minimums and maximums can be set for all of these. Now you can also go to metrics, set liquidity, volume, market cap, etc. So pretty much everything can be set over here, and via that, of course, when you set the correct filters over here for all your trading coins, you'll be able to essentially find better coins much easier. That's the first thing that's great. But the second one is this tracker one, okay? And it's called trackers, but really it's just a wallet tracker and a Twitter tracker combined. So over here, have your wallet tracker. You can see you can add wallets, and you can see the live trades when they're happening, and you can basically do that very easily and quickly. You just click on add wallet, put in their address, name it, click add wallet, and that's literally all you have to do. So it's that simple. Now, you also have a customized feed option over here, which is the Twitter tracker. You can add your own Twitter handles, you can manage them by top subscriptions by clicking those plus icons, and then you can essentially just set different things to either be hidden or shown, and then you can just go to Twitter alerts and see what's currently going on. Now, if we go to any of the pages over here, you can actually pin Twitter tracker over here to your screen. So pretty much anywhere, you can put it at the top, over here at the left, you can put it to the right, over here, wherever you want. So these already are some tools that you can't really find anywhere else for free. So Axiom is very special when it comes to this. It offers wallet managers and different basically wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, all of this for free, as well as some amazing filters over here and some amazing rewards. So of course, these will all help you buy in first, and then when you start trading, you'll also get rewards for your trading because of the reward system, where they basically give you cash back for your Solana trading. So this is all amazing, and as I said, that's why I would recommend it. So there's a link down below, as I said earlier, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.